So the helical piles are a great way to use instead of concrete caissons. One of the tricks, and I scoured the internet to try to find some of these tricks. Alex and I have set 80 or 100 of them now, learned some of these tricks. We've got this driver head unit that has this neat LED display on it that's supposed to show you when it's plumb. There's so much play in all of this that it doesn't work great. So you'll need a ground man with like a post level or a regular level. But we also found that these holes, when they're galvanized, a little bit of goobers get inside these holes. So we take a 7/8 reamer on a drill and just ream those out. So then our pins go in nice and easy. If you end up using a lot of torque, you can actually wallow out these holes and it'll make it hard for this collar to come off. So what we found is it's easier to pull one pin and the hex connection, and then that loosens it up so you can pull that off. So you see Alex doing that. But one of the other things that's really important when you find where you want to put it, it's like drilling into an angled piece of wood with a drill. You can't drill like this. You have to put the bit perpendicular to that angle and then send it. So you'll notice on a hillside like we have here, we're bringing this plate over, sending it, and then Alex corrects it with the level to make it plumb. And you can walk this thing a long way for about 3/4 or most of the bit down in the ground because it's got some play, and once it settles in, it's done. So just really take your time to make sure that's plumb, and then your layout's good. So.